A borkring type of synchromesh unit is commonly used to synchronize the speeds of two gears before engagement. 3 metal inserts with a ridge fit into slots in the hub. A radial spring at each end holds them out, so that the ridges locate in a groove inside the sleeve and hold it centrally on the hub. When the synchroniser is assembled, the hub is splined to the main shaft, and the engagement sleeve is splined to the hub. A bronze borkring with recesses to accommodate the ends of the inserts is located in each end of the hub, and a conical inner surface faces a matching steel cone on the gear. Fine grooves are machined on the conical surface, and the teeth on the outer edge are the same size as the dog teeth on the gear and the spline on the sleeve. The recesses are wider than the inserts to allow the borkring to move radially. Then the teeth on the borkring can be out of register with the teeth on the sleeve. When the sleeve is moved to select a gear, the spring-loaded inserts move the borkring into contact with the conical face of the gear. The grooves in the face of the borkring help to break through the oil film, and the difference in speed of the two components causes the borkring to be dragged around with the gear to the limit of the recesses, where it is held by the inserts. Since the teeth of the borkring are now out of alignment with the teeth of the sleeve, this balks or prevents the sleeve from moving over the ring into engagement. The force exerted by the driver now presses the sleeve against the teeth of the borkring and forces the conical face against the cone of the selected gear, until the friction created causes the two components to rotate at the same speed. The borkring teeth can now come into alignment, and the sleeve slides over them and into engagement. This is assisted by a chamfer on the teeth, which helps to guide the sleeve into position. Smooth and rapid gear changes are thus ensured.